What is an influencer? An influencer is someone who has the power to, well, influence. They use their knowledge, position, or personality to build a bond with their followers. A social media influencer is someone who has acquired or developed recognition through their following on social media accounts. This took off in the middle 2000s when musicians, vloggers, and comedians rose to fame with their YouTube channels. Today, there are prominent creators on every social media platform. In today's crowded digital marketplace, social media can seem like a vast sea of millions of users. Influencers are a bit like digital fish. They climb the e-food chain by sharing regular quality content and generating a large audience excited to see their next release. Are there different types of influencers? Yes, just like any ocean, there are different sized fish swimming around. Mega influencers are the most prominent social media influencers. They have more than 1 million followers on at least one social platform. Mega influencers are often A-list celebrities who became famous offline. Think movie stars, sports people, or musicians. But they can also be internet personalities who have risen to prominence. The Kardashians, Justin Bieber, Kate Upton, or Paul Logan, for example. With their huge audience and ability to reach millions of people, mega influencers are incredibly impactful. They're usually considered the industry sharks at the top of the digital food chain. Macro influencers have between 40,000 and 1 million followers on a social network. These people are like the dolphins of the social media seas, smart, successful online experts who know their target audience inside and out. They've spent years understanding what their audience likes and what they don't. The next category is micro-influencers. Micro-influencers are like the coral reef of social media. All sorts of colorful, vibrant types can be found here, contributing to the ocean's health. They tend to be everyday people who have become known for their flair for a particular niche: baking, photography, lifestyle, or parenting. As a general guide, micro-influencers usually have between 1,000 and 40,000 followers on a single platform. The newest category to hit the scene is the nano-influencer. These people only have a small number of followers, but they tend to be experts in an obscure or highly specialized field. You can think of nano-influencers as being the big fish in the ocean nurseries. In many cases, they have fewer than 1,000 followers, but this audience is highly engaged, very receptive to their opinions, and motivated to help propel them out into deeper waters.